Hey, happy holidays, decking the halls. It's Deb in my Maine Gardens, and today is a big day because I'm putting in our tomato cage lit trees. I know, these are the coolest things. I made these last year. And I'm going to tell you how I made them and give you a couple of tips and tricks. If you want to watch the video where I made them from start to finish, it's on the My Maine Gardens YouTube channel. You can find it there. But I just decided to pack these away at the end of the season. And I'm glad I did because it saved me a boatload of time. So these things are the coolest. I made 3 of them. That was a smaller one. And then I've got this major tall guy. And I've got 2 of those going in. So simple to make. All you need are really 3 ingredients. You need tomato cages. You know you have tomato cages around, okay? You need zip ties and you need lights. That is it. That is all, folks. So all you do is you turn your tomato cage upside down, okay? And you zip tie the tops. It's helpful if you have somebody hold it for you while you zip tie it. If not, it's fine. But I did it a couple of times till it was really tight and secure. And then you automatically, whatever, you have a tree. Then you take your light and you just start winding and winding and winding and winding. There's no wrong way to do this. I prefer a lot of lights. I mean, come on, 'tis the season. So I would say these trees have between 100 and 200 lights on them. But what I did is, you can see, I wound them all the way up and through and around to fill in the gaps in the tomato cage. Okay? I mean, certainly you can just wind it around the cage and it will look cool, but I really wanted to fill it in. Okay, and then the other tip is, when I was done, I let a strand drop down inside, okay? And this looks really cool because what this does is, when it's lit and there's a little wind, a little breeze, you get this nice movement of light inside your tree. Might be easier to see it that way. And it's just really gorgeous. Okay. Actually, you know what? I'm going to plug one in right now and show you what it looks like. But let me show you this one. Ugh. See that in there? Moving around? Okay. The other tip is, don't put lights on the bottom section. Okay? You can see I didn't put lights on the bottom section. The reason being is, this is careful, you'll poke an eye out. Okay. You'll shoot your eye out. Anyhow, this sits in the garden and you're gonna want to put something on top of it to hold it down, because these do get a little top heavy, and if you get a good wind like we do in Maine, it could blow over. So I put rocks around mine. You could use sandbags or whatever, but just keep this section free. And then here in Maine too, when it snows, this gets nice and filled in. Okay, so that's it. Easy peasy, really fun to make, great fun with your kids. And now let me show you what one looks like and plugged in. I'm gonna unplug this tree and plug one in. There you go. See how pretty that is? Gorgeous. Now, another tip, because I made this mistake and you don't want to be like me, make sure you put the plug, you leave a plug towards the base to plug these in. First time I did it, the plug was up here. And yeah. I mean, you could plug it in up here, but much better if you don't see your extension cords. So set it so there's a plug towards the bottom. Ta-da! Aren't they gorgeous? All right. Have fun. 'Tis the season. Let me know if you made these. Oh, I gotta tell you, last year, a whole bunch of people made these after they saw the video, and sent me photos and posted photos. It was really cool. So if you put some together, I would love to see how they came out. And if you haven't, please subscribe to the channel and have fun. Happy holidays. Talk to you later.